Today we'll talk about version 1, version 2, and version 3 of my peanut butter jars. And I buy these garden lights. There's this one and there's those little tiny ones. And you can get these at the 99-cent store or at the dollar store. The dollar store sells these things. So, sorry. So, so what's in here? In here, it's just a little circuit. It has an LED light, okay? And all these things run off of a little battery like this. This is a tiny little battery. And these garden lights, when you put them out, they charge up during the day, and then at nighttime, they only last 1 hour or two because these batteries are nothing. So what I did was I upgraded them to this battery. This battery will make it run pretty much almost a day or two. So let me just show you. Unscrew this. So it's just a battery holder, and this is a little thing. And then I just added another light to give it 2 lights, and then you make whatever kind of drawing you want. So this was version 1. So version 1. So version 1 will last you about 3 weeks, and then you have to change out this battery. Then I went to version 2. This is version 2. Now you can see in version 2, this is from the pumpkin, and you see I put 2 of these things together, okay? So let's put those back in there. That's what it looks like. And this is version 2. Let's put the cover on. Okay, so on version 2 will last you about a month. And these things are on 24/7. They don't go off. They're just on 24/7, which is perfect. Now, I went and got one of these bigger ones. This is going to fit in here. And I'm going to put one of these Duracell batteries in here. And by taking this out, which only lasts about an hour or 2 or maybe 3 hours top, this will give you like maybe a day and a half or 2 days. And then the 2 will give you like about almost a month. This will give you about 4 months because this drains very, very slow. So when I put these in here, these things should last me probably about 3 or 4 months before I have to replace the battery. And instead of replacing these batteries, these are Duracells, I just charge them in a regular charger. And they charge, so I don't have to buy new ones. You don't have to buy rechargeable. You can, use these, use this. This is 1.6 amps. This is very powerful, and this thing will just last forever. So that's a little about my solar garden lights. I always look for sales for like $1.99 for those little solar garden lights, and I buy like 10 or 15, and I take them all apart, and then every time I get a free or somebody gives me, I ask all my friends for their jars. Please, don't throw jars out. Give them to me because I make these things. And that's it. So I hope you like this little video about things that I make. And as you see, I make lights. I make all kinds of things. And all this stuff is cheap. Right? You got to eat this. This is $1 or maybe $2. What can I tell you? If you don't really want to do this, you can even solder this or put magnets on there. But this is my project, and I like doing these little projects, and I just wanted to show you how easy you can make this. This is like not rocket science. This is 1, 2, 3. You put them together, and this is not dangerous. Okay, You don't have no heavy voltage. This is 1.5 volts. It doesn't do nothing. Okay? So you don't have to worry about 110 volts, 80 volts, 18 volts. It's just going to kill me. It's just going to shock me, blah, blah, blah. None of that stuff will happen, okay? All right. Hope you enjoyed this video about the peanut butter jars, solar garden lights, and peanut butter jars. What can you make with a peanut butter jar and garden solar light? All right. Bye. That's all, folks.